Hello class, just wanted to go through the procedures for managing the colors for a multicolor vinyl sticker and also how to create registration marks. With a multicolor vinyl sticker, we just have to make sure that we've got multiple colors first of all, and on this one we've got black and yellow. So what we're going to do is to manage the colors we're going to create multiple layers. We will use the layers panel. Simply click on the layers and take a look at the available layers here. We need exactly one layer for every color. In our case, we've got two colors, so we'll create a new layer by clicking the new layer button, and now we've got two layers. In my experience, it's best to name the colors or name the layers with the colors that we're going to use. The color occupying the most space typically will go on the bottom layer. Not always the case, but you'll with some practice you can start to manage those on your own. So double clicking on the layer will also allow us to change the name. Since we've got most of our images black, we're going to name this layer black. And another way you can rename the layer is by double clicking outside the name, and it will bring up the layer options dialog box. And here you can also rename the layer that way as well. So now with our layer structure set up, we need to get all of the yellow items on the yellow layer and the black item on the black layer. So first we'll click on the object and see if we've got a group, which you can always tell by clicking on it and looking in the upper left hand corner. In our case we have a group, so I can go to the object menu down to ungroup, or I can press Shift Command G as well. Now that it's ungrouped, I can click on that and it looks like my fill color is set to black, which means that that's all I have selected is just the black image. If I click on the yellow, it looks like I have another group, but it's just the yellow group. So let's move the yellow to the yellow group to the yellow layer. So we have yellow selected. I'm going to click on the yellow layer so that it's highlighted, and then we'll go up to the object menu, down to arrange, and then over to send to current layer. Now having clicked on that, let's look over here at the layers panel. It appears that the only thing on the black layer is the black image, and the only thing on the yellow layer is the yellow image. And we can double check that by turning on and off the visibility of the layers themselves. That is how you set up the layer structure for a multicolor Final Cut image.